Morning students, I hope you all are doing great at your places, and today we'll be studying about the correct use of adverbs. So let's just begin. Title of our chapter is the correct use of adverbs. Before starting with this chapter, I want to explain you what are adverbs. Adverbs are basically those words which tells the quality of a verb, right, which qualifies the verb. There is warm-up exercise at which words add something to the meaning of a verb, adjective and adverb. You have to write those words, right? You have already learned that the words which modify the verbs एडजेक्टिव्स एंड अनदर एडवर्ब्स उन्हीं को हम क्या बोलते हैं एडवर्ब्स बोलते हैं एडवर्ब्स बहुत सारे टाइम के होते हैं एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम प्लेस फ्रीक्वेंसी मैनर इंटेरोगेटिव एडवर्ब्स रिलेटिव एडवर्ब्स एक्सेट्रा नाउ स्टडी द फॉलोइंग करेक्ट यूज ऑफ एडवर्ब फर्स्ट यू हैव टू learn the rules about the use of adverbs two negative sentences this should not be in the same sentence में कभी दो negative नहीं आ सकते right I could not found you nowhere this is absolutely false I haven't no homework to do this is absolutely wrong I could not found you anywhere बिल्कुल सही है and I haven't any homework to do I could not find your answer this is correct I have no homework to do this is also correct moving on to the next adjectives where they should be placed they should not be used in place of adjectives जैसे Manu will pay heavy for this mistake this is wrong Manu will pay heavily for this mistake right Manu returned more quicker than I expected Manu returned more quickly than I expected right ever is sometimes used wrongly for never we seldom or never ever visit our relatives this is absolutely false we seldom or never visit our relatives ये सही है it seldom or ever rains in the month galat it seldom or you can say never rains in the month note the following meaning and you have to write the use of else but or other than else should be followed by but other should be followed by then it was nothing else but his ego right was nothing else than his ego but nahi aayega she had no friends other but you this is absolutely false very is used with the positive degree of adjective much is used with the comparative degree of adjective she is very sad now she is a very tall girl she is much sadder and she is much taller than Pooja next is verb के साथ ing form or third form of the verb they can be used with adjective जैसे verb के साथ ing form they takes उसके साथ very आता है the verb के साथ जो third form होती है it takes much with it it's a very surprising scene we were much surprised at the scene and it was very disturbing accident you can say incident Jay was very much disturbed after his younger brother death a new verb ki third form it can take every with him right Neetu was very pleased to hear this and the farmer was very tired after the day work कुछ एडवर्ब होते हैं टू मीन्स मोर देन डिजायरेबल इट शुड नॉट बी यूज विद द सेंस ऑफ वेरी और यू कैन से मच आई एम टू प्लीज्ड विद यू दिस इज एब्सोल्युटली रॉन्ग I am very pleased to you. This is absolutely correct. Payal is too depressed over the report. This is wrong. Payal is much depressed over the report. Two or enough जो है they are opposite in meaning. Two is used for the adjective which qualifies. जैसे he is too sick to stand and I am too late for the school. Whereas enough is used after the adjective, it qualifies. Rani is rich enough to buy a new house. She is intelligent enough to solve this sum. The adverbs never cannot be used with verb indicating some point of time. Just say we cannot use never in place of not. I never remembering having met you. ये गलत है. I don't remember having met you. This is absolutely right. Ruskin Bond was never born in England. This is wrong. Ruskin Bond was not born in England. England is basically a country in UK, Britain. Adverb quite means fairly, sufficiently or not heavy. We cannot use in the sense of very. We are quite late for the bus. This is wrong. We are very late for the bus. This is right. TB is very sorry to hear the sad news. This is absolutely correct. Mistakes are often made by the students in the use of yes or no. So that when answering a question, a yes or no should be followed by an affirmative verb. Affirmative means positive and a no should be followed by a negative verb. Did not जो है did not you find the book at home right didn't लिख सकते हैं yes I did not find the book at home this is absolutely false yes I did find the book at home this is true मतलब this is right because there are no two negatives can place in a sentence no I did not find the book at home this is wrong no I did find the book at home is of course it's false right still yet and already still means something which is same as before I have earned a lot but I'm still poor or I was poor before and I am poor now. It started raining an hour ago and it is still raining. Yet means until now, abhi tak. The adverb yet is placed at the end of the sentence. Of course, it is used in the negative and of course in questions. जैसे where is Kajal? She isn't here yet. वो अभी तक यहाँ पे नहीं है. Or she will be here but until now she hasn't come. वो अभी तक नहीं आया. Are you ready to get are you ready to go yet? जाने के लिए तैयार है? Not yet, अभी नहीं. Or I'll be ready but I'm not ready at the moment. मैं अभी वैसे तो I'm ready but I'm not ready at this moment to move further. Already means which is earlier than expected. What time is the bus arriving, right? It has already arrived. I will tell you the truth. मैं तुम्हें truth बताऊंगा. I already know it. Did you want to see this movie? क्या आप ये movie देखना चाहते हैं? I have already seen it. मैंने देख सक रही है. Note the difference between yet and still. देखिए she hasn't gone yet. वो अभी तक नहीं गई है. She is still here. बिल्कुल सही बात है. She is yet here. This is absolutely wrong क्योंकि yet means अभी तक नहीं हुई है चीज. Right? He hasn't finished eating yet. अभी तक उसका खाना खत्म नहीं हुआ है. He is still eating. वो अभी तक खा रहे हैं. He is yet eating. बिल्कुल गलत है ये. Moving on to the short recap. The word which modify verb, adjective and other adverbs, उनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Adverbs बोलते हैं. Fast, well, never, always. ये सब क्या है? Adverb है. Moving on to the exercise. First we'll be completing with the OMR sheet which is given below. Adverbs जो होते हैं they qualifies or they modifies all. Right? The adverb else is followed by else और else के साथ और आता है. It's B. Now you have to do the correct form of the adverbs given in the bracket. Mr. Raghav जो हैं shall be very pleased है ना, तो Mr. Raghav shall be very pleased, too pleased to divine with you. It can be two आ जाएगा, right? Next is email reach us more quickly than letters, right? He walked more slowly than his companion. You cannot solve this problem, it is too hard for you, right? Bhumi can learn the poems more easily than these speeches. The water in the bucket is or you can say it's very dirty. She is feeling much better now. अब उनको ठीक feel हो रहा है, right? Rohit is rich enough, right? Mr. Gupta seldom or you can say never comes late. Please ever नहीं आएगा. Chavi is feeling much better now. The patient was very weak to walk and mother wants some rest as she is little tired, right? Next is, and the last exercise you have to fill in the blanks with already, yet, or you can say still. He has dash not given up smoking. He has yet not, अभी तक उसने smoke करना बंद नहीं किया है, right? Neha has not come back home still. अभी तक वो घर से नहीं आई है वापस, right? I dash, I already knew him. मैं उनको पहले से ही जानता हूँ. Knew that the team has already won the match. I haven't taken a rest, but I am still feeling tired. मेरे को अभी तक बहुत थकावट फील हो रही है. Haven't you finished your homework yet? अभी तक आपने अपना होमवर्क कंप्लीट नहीं किया है. She is dash, she is already studying in her room. वो अभी तक अपनी पढ़ाई कर रही है. He has dash, he has already seen this movie. He has not gone to the office yet, right? He is still at home. वो अभी तक घर पे है, right? So that was all about the adverbs and how we can use correctly the adverbs. Please keep doing hard work and stay blessed. Thank you.